Hi class! Today we are going to learn about the water cycle.
What is the water cycle?
The water cycle is the way the water moves in 4 stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection.
Now we're going to go into the stages of the water cycle. The first stage is evaporation. Evaporation is where water rises up from a lake and goes up into the atmosphere into the clouds. The second stage of the water cycle is condensation, and this is when the clouds form. And a good way to think about it is if you have a cold glass of water on a hot day and the glass starts to sweat, that's what condensation is. And the third stage is precipitation. We all know this as rain, like on a rainy April day. It comes down from the clouds and rains all over, and this can be rain or snow even, or sleet if The fourth stage is collection, and this is where the water ends up when it hits the ground because it's in a constant cycle. So it'll end up in oceans or lakes or rivers, and then the cycle starts again with evaporation right after that.
It's never ending.
This is the water cycle dance. Are you ready? Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection.
Well, that was an interesting field trip. Can we go back now, Miss Frizzle?
Oh, I'd like to help you out, Arnold, but
Oh no. We're evaporating again.
I love this part.
who knows what happens next? Heads!
Ooh, we condense into water droplets.
But we've been there, done that.
And it won't be the last time, Arnold. What happens next?
We become clouds.
Then we get blown who knows where by the wind.
Oh, and next?
And fall somewhere else as rain again.
Excellent observation, Wanda.
Are you suggesting that water never, ever stops moving? Ever?
In the words of my great Aunt Matilda,
No! Here we go again.
You mean water keeps evaporating, condensing, raining, collecting, forever?
oh, bingo! That's why its movement is called the water cycle.
But water has to go somewhere.
Oh, it does! It goes around and around and around and around and around, round, round, round and around.
We could be water for the rest of our lives.